Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over the database. So the first thing to do is first check if you have Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is going to be your primary database for the program. So to do that, go to your Start, and if you have Windows 10, you'll have all programs or drag bar right here. If you have Windows 7 or earlier, you'll have all programs. Go to all programs and go to Microsoft Office. As you can see, I have Microsoft Access 2010. I would highly recommend that you have either Access 2010 or higher. So 2013, 2016, doesn't matter. They will all work the same way. And to make sure you do have it, click into Microsoft Access, and if you don't have a security key popping up, then you're all fine. If you do have a security key popping up, well, asking you to put in a key, a product key, you do not have Microsoft Access on your computer, you may want to talk to your tech person to get Microsoft Access on there. Another thing too, you can go to our website, go to www.goodwayds.webstarts.com. I'll give you a minute to copy down the URL. It's going to be on our business card as well. You want to go to our website, and on the top left side or right side, there's going to be a URL that says TechSoup. I found that this is kind of the easiest, cheapest way to get access on your computer for a good price. And all you have to do is sign up, add it to your cart, pay for it, wait for a couple days, and you'll get email the download URL and the product key. And if you have a tech person there to help you, I would suggest having your tech person do it for you. And that should take care of getting your access all set up. Now we're going to set up the database engine software so the program can read off the database on the stick. The first thing you want to do before even clicking on to any of these URLs, I'm not talking about the TechSoup, I'm talking about either the Microsoft Access Database Engine 2010 Redistributable or the 2007 Office System Driver. You need to go and find out what system you're using. So the best way to do this for any computer, for Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows Vista, go to your Start Windows key and put in System. And if you can't do that for whatever reason, go to your control panel. Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP will have your control panel here. Make sure it's viewed as small icons, and you're looking for System. And just wait for a second. For those who have Windows 10, it's a little funny. Well, either Windows 10 or Windows 8. You can go hover over your Start Windows key. You want to right click it and click on Control Panel. Once you get to the Control Panel, again, make sure that you're able to see all your icons, and go to System. If it shows up like this, go to System Security and go to System. And I'll redo that again. System and Security, click on System, and this is where you want to be. So now everybody that is using an XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10 should have this on their screen. What you're looking for is the system type. And my system type is a 64-bit operating system. So I gotta keep that in mind. Alright, now we're going to go back to the website. The first software we're going to download is the Microsoft Access Database Engine 2010. And this one has to be first. This is all free. Microsoft is pretty lenient on their own software that they have to provide, and if you're paying for it already, well, they provide it for you. And this is for either if you have a Windows or a Mac or a Linux computer, anything, they will still provide it for you. You're going to go click on download, and because I have a 64-bit, I'm going to click on this box here that says Access Database Engine x64. If you had a 32-bit, then you're going to go to Access Database Engine.exe. Just make sure you don't click on both because it will mess with your computer and it won't download the correct thing. So once you click that, go to Next. And this dialog box will pop up. You want to make sure it's in your downloads. And I would suggest saving it. And once it's all saved, you just go ahead and run it. And it'll take some time, and all you have to do is just go through the stuff. And mine is already saying that I already have it, so it won't do it and go any further. So the next thing, once you get everything all downloaded, go back to the website www.goodways.webstarts.com. The next part is the 2007 Office System Driver. Click on the URL. You're basically going to do the same thing as the other one. You're going to click on download. And for this one, it's automatically a 32. So, click on save. That will load up. Again, make sure you get the 2010 on there before you get the 2007 on there. Click on it, run it. It'll go through it. It already knows that I installed it, so I can just cancel out. And you just want to click next, 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 and you're all done. Alright, so now that everything is all set up, you can go onto your program, go to your index search or your database, and now you can start using it. So if you have any questions or concerns, make sure to leave it down in the comment section, or give us an email or call, and we'll go over the whole thing with you. likely I'll just step out of the office and just go over there and help you out right there and then. Please leave a like and subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.